Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. Today me and Sheetal are here and Sheetal is sharing one more yummy and delicious recipe which is Soya Chaap. It's healthy and looking so presentable. So enjoy this with your family and friends and let's see how Sheetal is preparing it.
So let's see the ingredients for Soya Chaap. It's very easy and quick recipe. We have taken 2 medium size of potato. I've boiled this and mashed it. Then soya chunks, powdered this. Any soya chunks is fine. I've taken this big soya chunks. Salt to taste. Garam masala, cumin powder, haldi powder, lemon juice, coriander chopped, 1 or 2 grated carrot, chopped green chillies. So we'll mix all the ingredients: boiled potato, mashed and boiled potato, crushed soya chunks, and all the dry masalas, green chillies, lemon juice, coriander and grated carrot. We'll mix all these things and make one dough out of it. So I've already made it and kept it because you have to keep it at least for 2 hours. So soya chunks will get soaked properly. I'll show you that batter. So I've mixed all the ingredients and I've taken a little bit of water to mix all these things. You can see the mixture. It should be in binding consistency. It should get bind like this. Now you can take any stick and coat that stick with the batter. It's a very good starter, very healthy and delicious. See, it's like lollipop. So I have prepared all this. Now we'll saute.
Soya chaaps are ready.
Now we'll saute this in a little bit of oil.
Okay.
So we'll heat the tawa along with the oil, little bit of oil. The tawa is hot. Place all these chunks on the tawa. You can see color has changed. We'll roast this from both the sides. Now you can see our soya chaps is roasted properly. Now we'll serve this. Now I've served this with the choice of your ketchup. You can give any dip with this.
So yummy soya chaps are ready to eat. Wow, it's looking so delicious and presentable. Take any dip of your choice, green dip, white creamy dip, and just enjoy this. It's healthy too. So enjoy this with your family and friends. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.